Good morning, campers. 8:22:17, 8 a.m. Just after 8 a.m. We got the little clouds over here. And the clear sky all around. You can see the steam rising up there, but just beyond the church steeple. Clouds from industry being documented every day. Here comes a garbage truck, so I'm going to sign off here. But clouds by day, clear by night. So every morning starts off very clean and clear, generally. 8:22:17, 9 a.m., just after 9. We see the steam clouds continuing to build. And we see a little cloud on the horizon there in that southern part of the corridor. Always seems to be back in here. Need to map that out and see what's back there. Otherwise, still relatively clear at 9 a.m. See that steam coming up? Water vapor. It will continue to evaporate, adding to the total precipitable water vapor amount in the atmosphere. Can't be denied. This is having an effect. It's overtaking the natural slow evaporation of the natural hydrological cycle. And I mean, it's just simple physics. And I just wanted to add this one additional comment that this is what they wish to do. It's been stated by, I think it was the head of the FAA, that they want clouds by day and clear by night, and that this is part of the overall pattern. Okay, just after 10 a.m. on August the 22nd. Same thing as most days. Steam clouds coming up from Exxon and back in through the corridor. And the sky begins to fill with clouds. And as we can see to the north, generally always less clouds, at least from this vantage point, than this southern corridor. Oh yeah, what we got there, I got some sprayed stuff there. This little, God, I can't see. This little streak right in here above this line of clouds. Streak here. Oh, I can't even see my hand. The streak here as opposed to this. Okay, there we go. See that little thing right in here above it? Right there. Not the same thing at all. To me it looks like some sort of spraying or Welsbach materials. But definitely we've got the water vapor generation from industry. No doubt about that. Okay, there's my 10 a.m. update. And the beat goes on. It's a massive steam cloud here. Clouds by day and clear by night. By the way, it's 11:30 or so, August 22nd, 2017. Mid-ish day update. Okay, it's about 2:20 on the same day. What's the day? 23rd, 22nd? And as usual, clouds by day. See how they come from over here, mainly. Very seldom do we get this same build-up in this little northern section of sky, but always through here. Now, that consistency right there just makes me question what the hell's going on. Why would it occur in the same exact place every day if it were not being stimulated artificially? I mean, I can understand evaporation and convection from the ground, but this is it's just too regular, and there's really no movement to the weather. It's just like sort of happens in place every day. I have to question that. It just makes no sense. The pattern is too consistent from day to day. And always back here in this corridor to the south-southwest, or is that more southwest? Then you get a thunderstorm coming in right from the same exact place. Well, it's not really even always a thunderstorm. It's mainly just a buildup of clouds that then creates some sort of little weak rain event. It's not like a true thunderstorm that would build, a thunderhead. It's not like that at all. It's more like some kind of front, but it's all a faux front. Anyway, that's what's happening today. Okay, here we go with our afternoon rain shower. That's not a thunderstorm. It's just like a big old... Let's get wet here. Just like a big, huge, overcast sky out of nowhere. All the clouds are gone. Now there's a few. It looks like we're getting back into this pattern that we were in a few weeks ago, where it rained every day about the same time. It's now about 3:20. So yeah, local thunderstorms or rain being generated, but it's not really a thunderstorm like coming from a thunderhead that would build from convection of water vapor. It's not like that at all. And it doesn't smell fresh, or it always kind of stinks. It's not energetic. It's just like a weak rain, It's not like a real thunderstorm that would rain like hell for a few minutes and be done. It's always this little weak rain. So, I mean, it's just kind of obvious how scheduled this is. We have blocks of clear days. We have blocks like this pattern here where we get afternoon thunderstorms. And then we have blocks where the sky is overcast and rainy, like for several days at a time. Then that whole sequence appears to repeat. So we're going to see over time just how it really plays out. I mean, that's my impression from the watching that I have been doing, but I need to document it more accurately and really see it. 6:15 p.m. What a concoction, huh? Look at that. How different that cloud is from that cloud. We had quite a rain shower. Quite a shower, lasted for quite a long time. Seemed to come up out of the south. I wasn't here on location at that moment, but in the general vicinity. At any rate, what am I babbling about? Oh, look at all these weird clouds. And really, look how dense it looks over there, as if they're still releasing vapors, and it's just, you know, kind of saturating there. Yeah, it rained like hell, really. I was surprised for how long it rained. Anyway, much cooler. Oh, look. Oh, can you see him now? That's the one thing about this tablet. You can't swim with it. See the chemtrailing guy going across there? Right across there. This is supposed to be HD, so I'll see him when I get indoors. So let's watch him a moment. Yeah. I need zoom technology. Did I lose it? No. Where is it? There. Just entering that big column. Coming out like right in here. No, he's much higher than that. Ooh, look, there's another trail already formed ahead of it. Man, I wish I had this little setup to do some time lapse. Look at that trail. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Oh, and look, another one down there below. Going right across there. Okay, so we have spraying and we have water vapor. Is it rising? Yeah. I can swear to my eye that I can see something going up. Of course, there's no contrast with the background and surrounding air, so it looks pretty close. Chemtrail. Oh, look, there he goes across here. Do you see him? Where is he? Right across. Right over there. Crossing behind that cloud now. Just now. Pops through. Behind the next cloud. Oh yeah, you'd need a zoom for this. I think the trees are going to obscure us there. Back to the blooming one up top. Stuff falling down. Oh, they call that ice crystals. Oh, bullshit.